So many patients have had an experience following a motor vehicle accident, the experience of a whiplash event, where they've had that motion where their head has gone backwards and forwards, and they're holding their neck in a universal sign of this pain that's taken place. And it is really common. Traditionally, that experience has an acceleration and deceleration effect that causes different parts of our anatomy and body to experience forces that are not to our good nature, that are not advantageous. Traditionally, what takes place is that there are shear forces that affect things like the facet, which are the joints that allow for your neck to have mobility, allows for you to turn left and right, allows for you to be able to bend up and down. And after a whiplash event, those things are incredibly difficult to do. In addition, the discs that exist in between the areas of the joint and the areas of the vertebral bodies, they frequently have such stress that's applied to them that they can't maintain their normal shape. It sometimes will result in a disc herniation or bulge that can sometimes happen and cause other problems that actually go downstream that can cause radiation into the arm or into the leg. Also, that same type of force can cause issues with the ligaments that actually keep the spine where it needs to be and can cause laxity and challenges. Sometimes we can improve that with utilization of conservative therapies like physical therapy and different adjustments that can be in place. But then finally, one of the other things that can actually happen with that same type of effect is it can cause problems and challenges with nerves that are present, both that are coming out into the areas of the legs and arms, but also going up to the head, sometimes resulting in headaches. There's treatments that we have, and we want to be able to assess you for whether you have a whiplash injury and how we can be able to deliver you back to the way that you were before.